Making hummus is quick, easy, and very budget friendly, and today I'm going to show you how I do it. Add 2 cans of rinsed and drained chickpeas to a food processor. Next, I add 1 clove of cut up garlic. You can add more if you like. Next, I add a good amount of tahini, lemon juice, and olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of water. Cover it and start to pulse it till it starts to come together. Then you can go ahead and turn it on. As it's mixing, if it seems a little thick, add a little more water. As it processes, keep watching it and add water as needed. It will get smoother as it processes. Periodically stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl, then taste it and see if it needs any more salt, pepper, or lemon juice. Keep processing it until it's nice and smooth. I like to serve this either as a dip or with chicken, tzatziki, and a cucumber salad. I'll put links for those recipes in the description. Thanks for watching.